What's up, guys? It's Alex from StockTrading.com. It's Thursday, May 20th, and we're off to another great day. I've personally been green every single day this month, and I really don't want to mess it up tomorrow because tomorrow's the last day before I go on vacation. Then I'll be trading from Mexico. But more about that maybe tomorrow and on the weekend. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notifications button because today I'm going to go over how I traded Virgin Galactic on the news of their test flight this weekend. So let's understand what the news is first. So let me pull up here. I took a screenshot. Virgin Galactic shares are jumping because of space flight test set for Saturday. Cool. What's the big deal about it? We've seen Virgin Galactic shares pop up a bunch of times in pre-market and fade away on the same type of headlines. I've been trading Virgin Galactic since the damn thing went public, and every single time this stock has reacted the same exact way. So I knew coming into today that I was going to fade the stock. Literally, it was in my mind. I had a short bias on Virgin Galactic. I needed to wait for the opportunity, and I got it. But take a look at the daily chart. I mean, this stock traded to as high as $62, $64 in this range and faded away because SPACs are not in favor at the moment in the stock market, especially for companies that don't make any money. So Virgin Galactic is one of those companies, very highly speculative. It's really the only name out there that you could trade that is, in this space, no pun intended, but in this industry or sector. And the trade or the stock was heavily traded, especially when Wall Street Bets got behind the name and really pushed this to the upside. But here's a development that I see on the daily chart here. So one thing that I love to point out is right here, the 50-day moving average crossed below the 200. That is called the death cross. So this stock is in a lot of trouble on the daily. You have the 8 MA and the 20 MA really pushing downwards. Today we're trading above the 20, so let's see if it even holds that in the next couple days. And if it does, and if we do get around in the stock, the upside target that I would see on Virgin Galactic would be anywhere in the 24 to 26 range. It may bump its head against the 50 and the 200, and that's the real test that I want to see on Virgin before you even think about swinging the stock for more upside. So let's talk about intraday basis. So the news came out and I actually traded the stock in pre-market. Let me put it on the 2-minute time frame. I did take a small scalp right here on this zone. I got in on this bull flag in pre-market, took my profits really quickly right when it popped up. So not a huge trade, just wanted to get a quick green trade in the pre-market action, and I got it. And then when the market opened up, this is really when I went in for the kill. So the market, it opened up right here on this candlestick, 930. It popped up and then started to give out very quickly. I mean, there was just no follow through whatsoever. The moving averages you can see here are pushing downwards. So I got in on my short at $20.60. Let me even see if I can take a screenshot here of my short entry. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna move this over here. So there you have it. Hey. Where'd it go? Where did it go? All right, let me try that again. Nope. Okay. That was very odd. So anyways, $20.60. Sorry about that. I have no idea where. Let me try to open it up again. Nope, it's not working. You hear the little bell, right? So $20.60 I got filled with 1,000 shares, shorted it, and the stock faded down to a low of, well, okay, now nothing is working. None of my buttons. All right. So it faded to a low of like almost below 19 bucks. So this was a really nice trade for a lot of our traders in the live trading room who may have gotten puts on the stock, or like myself, I shorted it with equity and it was a very nice trade. So it was as simple as that. For me, I needed to understand what the news was, what was driving the stock to move it to the upside in pre-market, and digest that news. Knowing how I've traded this stock before and how the stock reacts to news, I knew exactly what my strategy was going to be. I just needed to wait for that entry point. And really, when the stock broke out, I wanted to see that crack of low a day, and by the time I got filled, it was at $20.60 and rode that sucker down. So really, really nice trade, and it was as simple as that. So I did hit my daily goal today, $1,038. So once again, another day where I'm slightly above that daily goal. So when I get to the point of making my daily goal, which is $1,000 a day, I really don't push for more unless I see a A+ setup, or there is a headline that is moving the entire market, or there's a really nice headline on a specific stock that I want to get in on. But if I don't see that, and I'm not 100% convinced, and I don't have that conviction to get into another trade, I really kind of just sit back and enjoy the profits that I made within the first hour or two of the day. So that's how I trade personally. Everyone has a different method and nobody is perfect, but this is a system that works for me, and it's a way that I can drive profits and daily consistent profits for my family and for my home. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you've got any questions, any comments, you can write them below. We'll get back to you, and join our Discord. It's open to everyone. The link is in the description. Take care, guys. We'll see you all tomorrow.